Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Sign into the same Discord account across devices and ensure your Xbox and phone or PC share the same network. Once done, update the Xbox system and the Discord app, then restart both devices to clear transient issues. Next, open Xbox Privacy and Online Safety and allow voice communication, and on Discord check input and output devices. These first actions remove common blockers and prepare the consoles for the linking steps that follow. Now you link accounts and configure audio. On your phone, open Discord, go to Settings, Connections, Add Xbox, and accept the OAuth prompts. This grants Discord permission to see your Xbox presence. Then on Xbox, navigate to Settings, Account, Linked Social Accounts. Confirm Discord appears and is active. Once linked, choose the right input and output devices in Discord and on Xbox. Make a short 10-second voice test to verify audio routing. If volume is low, adjust levels in both Discord and the Xbox. Finish by ensuring the correct routing. If using Discord on console, switch between game and chat audio to let voice pass through. If using mobile, enable the Xbox app's audio forwarding. Once done, sign out and back into Discord and reboot the Xbox to clear stale tokens. If problems remain, check NAT type, confirm UDP ports are not blocked on your router, and temporarily disable VPNs or strict firewalls. This one key troubleshooting step, verifying network NAT and ports, fixes most lingering connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.